Hello guys, today is motivational day and we're going to talk about how to always uplift yourself. Don't put yourself down. Always believe in whatever you are doing. And also don't compare your life to other people because everybody is unique in their own way. We are all born differently, and so know your potential, know what you can do and what you can't do. And don't try to let somebody bring you down. Go where you are celebrated. And also when something is going on and that you believe that you cannot deal with it, there's a lot of things that you can also use around and also use it as a way to escape all this stress that you're going through. Watch movies, listen to music, test an old friend, go to vacation, go to places that you know that brings you joy. Do the things that makes you happy. Anything that brings you joy, that's what you need to focus on. And because one thing I've come to realize in life is everything that we're rushing or trying to get, at the end of the day, we leave everything behind. So the most important thing that we can do as in life is to have impact in other people's life. Enjoy yourself. Make sure you embrace yourself. Don't let anything bring you down. Everything you're going through is temporary. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself out. Don't beat yourself down. Lift yourself up and make sure you keep your head up and know that this is temporary. And also find ways, because I know a lot of people pray all the time, but sitting at one place will not solve a problem. Prayer alone cannot do it, everything that you need in life. You always also have to put in work. You also have to be there. You have to force yourself. You also have to force yourself. So keep this thing in mind and always strive to be better. And don't worry. Don't focus on what other people are doing. Like I said, always believe in yourself and focus on what you can do, not what people think you can do. You are different, and everybody is a star in their own way. And I always keep saying that you were born a star, and you always have to believe in that. Be happy, enjoy yourself. Life is too short, and be proud of yourself. And make sure you always put a smile on your face wherever you go. Life is too short to worry, and life is too short to stress. Love all and hate no one. Okay? Alright. Peace out. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And this is a motivational day. And I hope you enjoy this. And make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Please don't worry too much. Whatever you're going through is going to end. It's not going to keep on like that. Trust me, nothing in this life is permanent. Everything is temporary. And I believe you can make it. And I believe you can do it. And always keep that in mind. Alright, TERK, treat everybody right and kind, and make sure you treat people around you nice and kind. Because what you give is what you get. You give love, you get love in return. Peace out. TERK.